Fumana ibhola enhle pha uXoli Lepo wakhatha in wabona nanko uFlavio Silva kangalibazisa umntanami uKhalwezo wayifaka phakathi kweplayers ethu defenders ethu zeSikhukhune United. That is why I say this player is important. uXoli Lepo noFlavio Silva project eKaizer Chiefs bafethu.
Driving to the byline, puts the ball
Bang phakathi uFlavio Silva, our number 1 striker.
It's made a dream start to life at Kaizer Chiefs. Flavio Silva is on the score sheet again. Ball
Good interception by Inacio Mikel, but the situation they are trying to get out of this attack. Now Wainika uXoli Lepo trying to find Umthetwa misses the ball, and that leads to a dangerous attack that leads to a goal, or second goal should I say, of Bradley Grobler.
Chipped away in that build-up stage. This build-up stage I've been talking about, that Chiefs have failed to come out of their half successfully, and this one gets picked up and Sekugune but Grobler.
Another aerial ball again beats the defense eKaizer Chiefs. Bradley Grobler seeing that uMonare uza phambi kwakhe, what I should do, just flick the ball. Khona ithi ndenze run apho kanye ndiguquke. Bamba ibhola uMonare one on one ke ngoku uthi Brendan Peterson, because uyayazi any foul ayenzayo ngoku Frosler, that will be a red card, because this is our last man now that he's facing. It's the last man foul. Ayiphoxisi madoda, it's a red card. Now uyayazi into bana uMonare lena situation is between yena kunye no Brendan Peterson. No one can stop him, and that was a clear goal bafethu. Beka nje kahle uMonare emnatheni bafethu ancancazela.